What's up guys, Raw here. So finally Oppo has revealed it one of the best display 2.0, the next generation display from Oppo, and it is named as display 2.0, which is also known as the waterfall display. So as you can see, the design is completely futuristic and it is the next level display. We have already seen a lot of displays, curved edges on Galaxy S series and even the upcoming Vivo Next series, and we have also heard about the hidden camera from Oppo technology. So there is a lot of to be interested because the technology is going ahead and it's completely a game changing moment. So as you can see, the curve edges like the OnePlus 7 Pro, but this curve are out of limit. As you can see, it is completely side to the bezel-less phones, and both the side are completely screen based. So the waterfall display is completely taking the both of the side, and so there are no physical button, and physical button will be embedded into the screen. So this is gonna be lot of interesting. So this will be the first smartphone which will be having more than 100% screen to body ratio. As you can also see, the screen to body ratio is very less, more than 100%, and the chin is also very minimal. So this is gonna be a lot of interesting. The display is great, and I think Oppo gonna equip this in the upcoming various series smartphone or in its upcoming Oppo Find X2. So Oppo display is going to be great, and this smartphone is also going to be most anticipated smartphone because Huawei Mate 30 Pro, also the upcoming Oppo phones, and also the upcoming Vivo Next series gonna be completely amazing. So we can't wait for the upcoming future generation of technology because this has been completely amazing display technology. So that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video. That's all. Peace out.